Hi everyone, welcome to new updates of Odoo 18.1. In today's video, we will discuss about follow-up through WhatsApp. For that, you can move on to the accounting module, and under configuration menu, we can find invoicing and choose follow-up levels. Here, I would like to choose the follow-up level of 15 days, and you can see that we can do the action through WhatsApp. So let me enable that. Once it's done, we also just need to set a WhatsApp template. So let's say 15 days follow-up. Afterwards, you can create this over here, and you can also set all other details over there. Now, if you want to add the followers, you can also add that. So to this person, we will be making the follow-up through the WhatsApp. Now let me choose a person and save the changes over here. Now let's move on to the customers, and under customers, we have to choose joyables. And as we have added this follow-up, you can see the follow-up under the accounting, and you can see the invoicing follow-up for 50 days and follow-up status in need of action. And we can also do the reminders as automatic as well as manual. And if we are just going to choose manual, then we can click on send, and we also just need to configure a phone number over here. So let me configure a phone number which is given under the phone field itself. And upon clicking on send, we can see that we will be getting a wizard over here. And we also just need to enable WhatsApp over here. So as you just configure the WhatsApp over there, you can easily send the follow-up through the WhatsApp. So upon clicking on send and print, you can send the message through the WhatsApp. That is the follow-up message. So that's how we just deal with the follow-up through WhatsApp in Odoo 18.1. So if you want Odoo customization or Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.